In this video, we're going to be talking about Chainlink. We're going to be analyzing the price of Chainlink to see where price is going, basically giving a technical analysis upon price action. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'm trying to hit 600 subs. As well as that, before investing into Chainlink, please do your own research, as I'm not a financial advisor. So as you can see here on CoinMarketCap, Chainlink is currently up 3.22% on the daily. You can pretty much see here on the daily chart that Chainlink did reach pretty much the daily low of around $15.6. And then from then onwards, we had the initial pump towards the upside. I feel like we pretty much did do this, and then we came back down to this demand zone where we originally created the high. It looks like price did respect this area, which therefore led price to have another higher high being made. So pretty much essentially a bull trend was pretty much made, and you can see there we had an initial break of structure, and then you can see your price was starting to pretty much distribute, pretty much making a distribution schematic, but it looks like price failed to, and this demand zone was pretty much respected, which therefore led the rise in price towards the pretty much the daily high of around $16.36, which is really nice to see. And it looks like price is slowly coming back down, probably even inducing this area, probably even filling in the imbalance left behind before having another leg towards upside. So if we check on the weekly before we go over to trading view, you can pretty much see here on the weekly that Chainlink has pretty much been bullish over the week, which is really good to see, as majority of the coins are starting to gain back momentum towards the bull side. You can see here that we did reach the weekly low of around 14.17 essentially, and then we did reach the weekly high of around 16.36, which is really nice to see. So if we go over to trading view to see where price is possibly heading more short term essentially, so pretty much you can see here we did have the accumulation schematic play out for Chainlink, and then we did have the initial mini accumulation schematic, which therefore led price to the towards upside. Looks like we've had a break of structure, which is really nice to see, and looks like price could possibly even induce this area. And if we do have a close above this area, roughly around the $19.5 area, we should have a clear confirmation in price becoming bullish again, probably towards the supply zone. In my opinion, I feel like this would be the main area, as this was a lower pretty much the lower high that initially caused the initial pretty much the break of structure, liquidating this area, all of this area. So yeah, this would be a really key area for pretty much where price to look out for. But even though I feel like price would most probably not once we do reach this area, I feel like we could possibly have a little pullback. But the main area is probably this roughly around the $29-28 region, as that was what made price bearish. But until then, you can pretty much see here, then the next target would possibly even be around $38, and then the next target is pretty much the new all-time high, which is probably around the $52-53 region. But we've still got a long way before reaching that. But so far it looks like VChain is starting to become, and pretty much Chainlink is starting to become pretty much bullish again, which is really nice to see. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, as I'm trying to get 600 subs, and peace.